going straight. At the traffic light, you're making a right turn. Right turn. Beverly Driving School. This is a lesson here. If you're looking for a driving school in Beverly, you can definitely give us a try. The Apple Driving School. He will be the student here, doing very well. Mr. What's his name again? Alexander, doing very well. It's been a while. We can write any Mr. Alexander. It's been a while the last time we did lesson. I'm improving for the, yes, beautiful. You did the right thing by reading there to make sure that the student is clear. You're doing good. Okay, we're going straight across. Stop sign, you know what to do. Make sure you know what to do. Alright. As you guys can see, he makes Alexander make sure that he make a stop where everybody can see him and continue with the driving, okay? For the purpose of the road test, when you're making the stop at an all-way stop sign, you have to make a single stop where you're visible. Otherwise, you will be pulling out of the blind spot, and that will not be good for your road test, okay? We're making a right turn here as this traffic light. That's Beverly Wood Driving School. This is a driving lesson here with Mr. Alexander. Is doing very well here comparing to the last lesson I did with him. You see he's stopping up here at the traffic light. This is where he stopped, exactly where we start losing the first white line. You do not want to go to your white line. You do not want to go above the white line while you're doing your driving test with the DMV examiner. That will be an official Mr. Alexander stopping. Very good, very good, very good, okay? So these are the things that you need to be doing as you're doing your road test, especially if you want it to pass, because in the event that you're not doing those things, the examiner will not hesitate to fail you the test with flying color. All right, Mr. Alexander making a right turn here. You see, beautiful. All right, as you guys can see here, he's checking his wheels and his shoulders, and he's making the turn out of the bike lane. All right, guys, make the turn out of the bike lane and going straight. Does not get any better than that. Beverly Wood Driving School is a driving lesson here around those area. Okay, these are the things these are the level you want to perform. That's right, Mr. Alexander doing very well. Keep it going here. Here's a live lesson here with a student here on the site. Okay, on those area here not too far. They're doing that's the Beverly Wood test site. That's where they're doing the lesson. Okay, so Alexander here doing a hell of a good job and driving within the speed limit. His car is flowing within the speed. These are the level of delivering that you wanted to do as you're doing your DMV road test. All right, as you guys can see, both hands on the steering wheel. All right, 10 and 2. In the event that you have to signaling hook the extremity, you have to signaling using nothing but his fingers. All right, this is the car that delivery. The car is I'm teaching you get here at Pierre Driving School, and Alexander, he is a living proof. I'll let you know after his road test, because he's really going in a direction to pass his test here with flying colors. He's stopping. You see how he stopped right above the stop sign, the white line, so where we can see everything. Those are the things that you need. All right, it's not about driving, it's the way that they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you can deliver, you see, I'm very confident if Mr. Alexander keeping it at this level, passing his road test is going to be a good flying color. Because the last time I did a lesson with him, I suggested that he did a few more lessons because he wasn't ready. Remember, Mr. Alexander? Yeah. Yes, I suggested that for him to do a few lessons because he wasn't ready. Now today, look how he's driving. I'm very proud of him. I can definitely see him passing his road test on the first try if he's keeping to this level of delivery. All right, folks? Those are how simple that is. You know what I mean? It's just following following the tips. You see, Mr. Alexander is stopping already. Couldn't get any better than just keep it. That's right. There you go. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn at the traffic light, okay? Good, good, good. Yep, folks. These are the things that they offer you to do, all right? Nothing more, nothing less, all right? It's not about driving. It is certain way they want you to drive, okay? The minute you can understand that, there we go. All right. See? All right. That's what I'm talking about for right into place. Keep it going. Going. All right, at the traffic light here, we're making a right turn. Beautiful here. All right, right turn. There you go. Make the turn. All right, as you see, tight turn. Guess what? There you go. Falling right into place, folks. Could not ask for any better. Does not get any better than this. All right, folks. Could not ask for any better, and it doesn't get any better than this. All right, keep it going straight here, Mr. Alexander. You're doing a hell of a good job for right now. All right, keeping it going straight across. Keep pushing. Beverly Wood driving school in Beverly Wood. All right, if you're looking to do some lesson with us, we are covering this area. You have no issue at all. Just for to let us know. We will definitely help. That's what I'm talking about. Good. Keep it going. Like, share, and subscribe, folks. If you have not yet done so, you can like, share, and subscribe. Anytime we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified anytime that we drop in a video. See? Everything is in control. Alexander is on top of it. All right? Keep it going. That's right, keep going, Mr. Alexander, doing very well. At the traffic light coming up, we're gonna make a right turn at the light. Folks, you see, already signaling his attention to make his turn, delivering at the highest performance level here for a student who's taking the road test. Okay, make the turn here, checking all of his shoulders. Beautiful. Okay, falling right into his lane. All right, folks, couldn't ask for any better. If you have any comment, let's make a right turn at this traffic light here. It's not washing it. Instead, the light is coming down. See, Mr. Alexander slowing down already. That's what we're talking about. For the purpose of the road test, yellow lights mean red. All right, yellow line means red. Mr. Alexander never wash the yellow line because the road test, they will fail you the test. As you're driving on the regular, it's your luck if you want to risk it and try to see if you can take a yellow line. But for the road test, as you see the light begin to blink, anything below 10 you kill, anything above 10 you drop normal. You will make your turn with no issue. If you have any question or comment, put it in the any question or concern, put it in the comment below. If you want us also to do your area, let us know. Now this is here with Mr. Alexander. Is doing a hell of a good job. Let me know what are your thoughts on the on that. All right, good. Going on straight up. Couldn't ask for any better. Good. Keep on going straight. You're doing very well here, Mr. Alexander. See, the light is already blinking. It's slowing down already. See how, guys? See, it's already yellow. It's slowing down already. That's what the good stuff to do. You do not want to wash the light, okay? You do not want to wash the light, okay? It will not be going at your favor for the purpose of the road test. All right, guys? What do you guys notice ahead? What should I call it? That's a garbage truck and human who's working on the site. Mr. Alexander is already preparing himself to make a right move when he come on those things. These are the level, always forward planning all your moves, always see what's going on ahead. And the event that you have to adjust, you already know what your adjustment going to be. You don't want to make sudden stops and do things without planning, especially when you're driving. What do you know this here? This big truck here is signal that making a turn here, making a left turn. We have the right of way, but you know how this guy is driving. Let's see what happens. But we do have the right of way because we're going straight. The person cannot see, but he still take the turn because of the human that's crossing, and the guy ready to take the turn is gonna be Wong because we do have the right of way. Let's go, Mr. Alexander. But it's not about right of way; it's what's safe. But we do get the right of way above that garbage truck. But you know, let the city does its job. We let it slide. But for the purpose of the road test, yes, we do have the right of way because we're going straight. The cross traffic have to clear the right of way for us. All right. At the traffic light coming up, we're gonna make a right turn. All right, Mr. Alexander. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. Signaling is already on. Mr. Alexander leave the distance. You can see the tire of the car in front of him. Good thing for the road test. All right, folks. Take your time on the turn here. There you go. Falling right into place. Could have not asked for any better. Straight across. All right. These are some good stuff here, folks. This is the good stuff. I'm very proud and happy of the student. I can definitely see some damage out here, right? So, any question, Mr. Alexander, as we're going along? So far, so good.
Yeah, well, I believe I on the road now, you know.
That's correct. Okay. That's it. All right. All right, my man, keep it going. You're doing very well.
Taking up your lessons is not a problem, you know.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
That is right. There you go. You guys heard what he says? Take those for lesson is not a problem. He is absolutely right. You see? Doing his light nice and smooth. At the traffic light, we're making a right turn. Until then, keep practicing. It's been with Pierre, Driving School. Take care now. Like, share, and subscribe.